The question is, can you actually make money on Turo? Keyword actually. Yes, you can. And what I actually want to tell you, actually, is what you want to do is reverse engineer this. Go on Turo as a Turo guest. If you're a Turo host currently, or if you're someone thinking about becoming a Turo host, sign in as a Turo renter, which is a Turo guest. What you do at that point is you look at Turo hosts in your area that you want to add cars and check to see if they're making money. The way you do this, check their reviews within 1 to 2 years and see if the reviews are recent. If it's like from 3 months ago, a year ago, no. I want to see Turo hosts that are constantly getting good reviews back to back within weeks from weeks. Then you know, okay, this is consistent. This person's making money per trip. Cool. That's how you build a conviction. So if you found this video because you're trying to figure out, can you make money actually on Turo? Yes, you actually, keyword can, but I would say build your conviction, find people who are already making money, and that way you can actually build your conviction and go a step further. You can even rent a car from a Turo host and ask them the question themselves, and they might be nice enough to show you how much they're making. And if not, at least ask them questions. That's how you build your conviction, and now you can find out that you can actually earn money. Love you guys. Like, share, currently not. Peace.